Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view history in YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your history on the YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on there and you'll land over here where you can see the history option available for us over here. Just below the downloads, tap on the history, and all of the history which you had watched or listened on the YouTube Music app, whichever music you played will be over here. Because I had cleared my history, many of my listened songs and watched videos are not over here. And that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to view your history in your YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.